Hey folks, so it's been a minute since I've posted, so a few updates here this week. We're going to do something a little bit different than our normal thing here on Future Human Project. This week, I'm going to share with you updates with what's been going on with me since I haven't been here and active. And I also just want to share kind of a grab bag of a few thoughts that have been kind of stewing in my mind over the last couple weeks here. I'm noticing a lot going on in kind of the collective level of society in terms of just what's happening psychologically, spiritually. I'm thinking a lot about AI these days and where it's headed and our collective relationship to AI. So this week, instead of one kind of targeted theme and then unpacking that, I'm going to kind of give you guys a bit of a grab bag of updates and thoughts and kind of just what's on my mind. So update first here. Really good news. I have been working on a custom GPT. So this would be a custom version of ChatGPT, which will be for pay, but it'll be highly affordable. It's going to be super accessible to everyone. That is the interactive version of my secure self-relating, self-directed modality that I've been teaching my clients and using in my trauma therapy sessions. It is the center point of multiple modalities of therapy boiled down to the core essentials of how therapy actually works. I'm building this into this custom GPT, which is still a work in progress, and it's going to be hopefully really cool. I don't know. I'm still playing with it, so we'll see where this goes. But the idea is to create something that's immediate and accessible for you, so you can play with this for yourself and discover what it's like to use secure relating as a way to regulate your nervous system and feel what that feels like. And the GPT essentially can either be a co-regulator for you if you don't have a therapist, can't afford a therapist, don't have a friend who can support you in this way, don't have any emotionally intelligent friends, or depending on what level the model you use, there'll be a level where it'll start to train you on how to securely relate to yourself. So working on that, super excited about that. Assuming that goes well, I'll also be doing a psychedelic prep and integration GPT. And just, again, kind of building these tools not as replacements for real in-person therapeutic healing, awakening spiritual work, but as an adjunct too, as a support tool. So, if you've been following me here on Future Human Project, I'm a big advocate for the human being and for the human experience. And in terms of technology, right relationship to technology. So this is my first attempt. I've never tried to make a piece of software before at creating something like that. So that's what's going on. That's what I'll be sharing in the Substack post this week, is just my thoughts and my experiences of creating this GPT, my concerns about it, some caveats around it, but also what's really exciting about it and what it offers here. So heads up on that. And then again, over this week, I'll be sharing also some thoughts here that have just been on my mind in terms of what's going on in the collective and what I'm seeing that hopefully will be of benefit to you. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.